Hey, what's going on, guys? Pig Gamer here, and today I am reviewing Lego Friends. This is Mia's Force Adventure, set number 41363. It contains 134 pieces, and its recommended ages 6 and up. So here we have Mia on what looks like remote controlled skateboard of some sort. You get a tree with a beehive, some other stuff. Take a look on the back. We have some various actions we can do. Cool. Here we have the instruction manual. Pretty nice. Now let's take a look at the minifigures. So here we have the minifigures. Let's take a look at Mia. Let's take a look at Mia first. So she's got nice printing on the face and the torso. Nice hair headpiece. Pretty cool. Mia also comes with a remote control. Is this print? No, that is sticker. That is a sticker. You can tell by one of the corners. So yeah, so Mia can put this in her hand. Let me see if I can try and do it real quick. Nope. Nope. Here's what she looks like with the remote control. Pretty cool. Let's take a look at the baby bear. Really nice printing on the face. Really nice. Now let's take a look at some of the other accessories. Alright, so here we have some of the other accessories, or some of the other things that come with this set. So here we have what looks like a motor-powered skateboard or some sort. These are stickers on top here. Those move smoothly. Oh, I think I broke it. Oh. So we can have Mia stand on the skateboard. And yep, okay. Yeah, so that's that. Next thing we have is what looks like a little table or trunk or stool or something with a little drink on top of it. Nice. Now let's take a look at the tree. Alright, so here we have the tree. Get a beehive, some leaves or flowers on top of the tree. Pretty cool. We got a little spot right here to place the cub, the baby bear. He's supposed to go right there in this little cave or something. Now if we pull this back, beehive kind of falls down. Or, yeah, kind of just falls down. Pretty cool. Alright, so next we have is this thing. So I think it's like a river with like a bridge going over it or something. Yeah, so we got the river going along here, we got a bridge, got a little frog on a rock, so, leaves right there. That is stickers right here. Yeah, that is stickers. We got some binoculars. Pretty cool. Yeah, this actually does, the skateboard does drive over that. Pretty cool. But Mia can also stand on top of here, I believe. She might be a little bit too tall or too big for it, but have some trouble. There we go. So yeah, she can look out the binoculars. Pretty cool. Now let's take a look at the extra pieces. Alright, so here we have all the extra pieces. So it looks like we get two slopes, a Great Technic pin, 3 stud flowers, we get a stud with the hole going through it, a yellow carrot top piece, we got another small antenna, a white tire rim, a clear one of these pieces. Also get 2 1x1 plates. Yeah, 1x1 plates. And 2 1x1 curved flat tiles. So this ends the review for Lego Friends Mia's Forest Adventure, set number 41363. It contains 134 pieces, and it is recommended ages 6 and up. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, press that like button, comment and subscribe. This is Pig Gamer, and I will see you all later. Nice trick.